your knees. No pride, no love for our homes and streets. Our future's looking, it's looking kind of bleak. Why don't you even care? Walking on the street lights, winds blow debris fly by. Is this all we have to look forward to? Now falls and we lock the doors. I hope I'll be okay. Do I want my child to live like this? Our values getting lost. Were they ever really there? No heroes, no idols. What's surprising? What's the cause of playing is in there?